2026 Toyota Veloz brings fresh energy to the compact MPV segment with a more aggressive design and smarter features. It sports a bolder front grille, sleeker LED lighting, and newly styled 18-inch alloy wheels that give it a more rugged, SUV-inspired appearance. The body lines are sharper, and the rear gets updated LED taillights that add a modern touch. Inside, Toyota has redesigned the dashboard for a more driver-focused layout, while materials feel more upscale throughout. The larger infotainment screen now runs smoother and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making daily driving more connected and convenient. Performance also gets a modest boost for 2026. The updated 1.5-liter engine now delivers around 120 horsepower and is paired with either a CVT or a new 6-speed manual transmission. It offers solid fuel economy with a combined average of around 32 to 35 mph, depending on the variant. Ride quality has been refined with better suspension tuning, and higher trims now include dual-zone climate control, improved sound insulation, and advanced driver assist features through Toyota Safety Sense. A hybrid version is expected later in the year, which could be a game-changer for families wanting efficiency without sacrificing space. Overall, the 2026 Veloz is a smart, stylish, and practical upgrade,